Are you ready to do some real, sustainable lifestyle changes? The benefits of a whole foods, plant-based program are well researched. Such a program can improve cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol, lowering blood pressure, reducing insulin resistance, and promoting weight loss. But making a transition can be an endeavor. It really helps to be on a winning team.
Participants will receive in-depth preparation material with evidentiary support for a whole foods plant-based program, including meal plans, grocery lists, recipes, and online weekly support check-ins. This is an entirely vegan plan with limited salt, oil, and no refined sugar. And you can purchase all of these ingredients at your local grocery store.
If you're watching this video in between one of our challenges, you can email me at Avril, A-V like in Victor, R-I-L, .James, J-A-M as in Mary, E-S, at Piedmont.org for the previous challenge menus and shopping lists. Once you're in the database, you'll be privy to all of our other wonderful holistic health promoting events.
You can do this independently at any time if you don't want to wait. You can do one day or the entire challenge. We're here to support you.